Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Lift or remove your cab from your frame. Hold your frame section up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Draw a line approximately 2 inches above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Our part features a perforated piece that you can remove to fit over your existing front body mount. If you decide to keep your mount, remove the piece at this time. If not, cut off your mount and any obstructions in the work area. Step 3. Clean and grind the work area free of rust and debris. Spray the area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide the part onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. Once in place, use C-clamps to secure your part, ensuring a secure and tight fit. You may need to remove some extra material around your crossmember to allow the frame section to slide into place. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Weld 100% around all edges. Step 5. If you have a replacement cab mount, install it now. Finally, paint the part with primer to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.